In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refund in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard so you can access the tools you need. Recording a refund properly is important because it helps keep your client balance accurate and ensures your records clearly show that a credit was issued. From the dashboard, click Create New. This opens the menu where you can create different kinds of records in FreshBooks. From the drop-down options, choose Credit. This is the option you'll use when you want to record money or value being returned to a client's account. Next, select the client who will receive the refund or credit. Make sure you choose the correct client profile, since this credit will be attached to their account and may later be applied to an invoice. After that, enter the credit date. This should reflect the date the refund or credit is being issued, which helps keep your bookkeeping organized and accurate. Now it's time to add the credit items. Enter the product or service that is being refunded. Be as clear as needed so the record makes sense later if you need to review it. Then enter the refund amount, or in this case, the amount being credited to the client. Double-check that the amount matches the refund you intend to issue, especially if it relates to a previous invoice or payment. Before saving anything, review the credit details carefully. Verify the client name, the date, the item description, and the amount. This quick review helps prevent mistakes and saves time correcting records later. If needed, you can also add notes. This step is optional, but it can be helpful for internal reference or to explain why the refund was issued. Once everything looks correct, click Save. FreshBooks will then store the credit in the client's account. After saving, take a moment to review the credit record and confirm that it appears correctly under that client. This is a good final check to make sure the refund was recorded successfully. If needed, you can then apply the credit to an invoice when creating a new invoice or updating an existing one for that client. This is useful when the client has an outstanding balance and you want the credit to reduce the amount they owe. And that's how to record a refund in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching.